Is it the right time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will be delving deep into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 21, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It is important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has ranked SPY as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.87. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, SPY has shown a gain of 5.25% since we recommended buying it 14 days ago. That means an average daily return of 0.37% since it was marked as hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $454.11, as it could indicate a slower falling rate or even a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 2.01% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between minus 11.75% and minus 1.82%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a 14.34% change over the next 12 months. This translates to a potential return between 4.62% and 20.31%. So, after a year, the price range could be between $474.22 and $545.33. Our latest daily update for SPY brings news about the evaluation of the SPY ETF being downgraded after the last trading session. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, the SPY ETF price fell by 0.218%, dropping from $454.26 to $453.27. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.480%, reaching a low of $451.96 and a high of $454.13. Out of the last 10 days, the price has risen in 7 and has shown an overall increase of 3.74% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased along with the ETF, which is typically considered a positive sign. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 22 million shares, with a total of 46 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $20.77 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $459.44, while the lowest price was $374.77. Currently, the price is 1.34% or $6.17 below the 52-week high, and 5.56% or $26.71 below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when the price reached $479.98. Let's take a look at the signals for SPY, the ETF. The SPY ETF currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $449.56 and $432.42. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. It's worth noting that some negative signals have been issued as well, which may impact the near short-term development. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 0.218% fall so far. It is likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Interestingly, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023, in the long-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet in a special combination. This is a rare occurrence and is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator shows a buy signal. The pivots indicator indicates a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger indicator suggests a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 12 days ago. If we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 37 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for the SPY ETF. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level at $429.54 and $426.43, based on accumulated volume. It's important to note that when an ETF is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the ETF may then fall to the next support level. In the case of SPY, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $429.54, followed by $426.43 and $412.55. This ETF typically has average movements during the day and a good trading volume, which means the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the ETF moved $2.17 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a 0.480% change. Looking at the past week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 0.617%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SPY. If the market is moving upwards, the first resistance level for SPY is at $454.26. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if the market is moving downwards, SPY encounters its first support level at $429.54. If this support level holds, it could present a good opportunity to enter the market, anticipating a rebound. For this ETF, we recommend setting the stop loss at $438.21, which represents a decrease of 3.32%. This ETF experiences moderate daily fluctuations, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 88, indicating a higher level of risk. Furthermore, a sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 1 day ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? While the SPY ETF shows some positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. At its current level, it would be more prudent to hold or accumulate this position and await further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued, based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. On Wednesday, November 22, we anticipate SPY to open with a decrease of $0.150 and start trading at $453.12. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Let us know in the comments if you agree or disagree. We're also curious about your target for the ETF. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.